In this video, we're going to analyze Escanol's quote from the 7 Deadly Sins. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
噛みちぎりかゆ世間エスカノール魔の神とやら人間に見下される気分はどうだ
So, today's quote is 魔の神とやら人間に見下される気分はどうだ魔の神とやら人間に見下される気分はどうだ魔 means evil or demon, and a noun with the particle no modifies the following noun, kami, meaning God. So, 魔の神 means God of demon or demon god. The combination of the particle to and yara is used with something you vaguely remember or you're not familiar with. So when it's used with someone's name, it means you're not really sure of the name, but don't bother asking. Therefore, it often sounds rude if you use this when calling someone's name. So, 魔の神とやら can be translated as demon god or whatever it's called. 人間 means human. Someone, に a verb passive form means to be done something by someone. 見下される is the passive form of 見下す meaning to look down upon. So, 人間に見下される means to be looked down upon by a human. And it modifies the following noun, 気分 meaning feeling. は is the topic particle, so the topic of the sentence is 人間に見下される気分, which directly means feeling of being looked down upon by a human. どうだ is a combination of the interrogative どう meaning how and the auxiliary verb だ. Da is usually used with a noun or na adjective when you want to assert or declare the statement, such as こっちだ meaning it's this way. 明日は雨だ meaning it's going to rain tomorrow. But when it's used with interrogative words like 誰 どこ いつ and so on, it expresses the speaker's strong demand for the answer, so it's often used by a very manly or bossy person. So, 人間に見下される気分はどうだ directly means how is the feeling of being looked down upon by a human. So today's quote, 魔の神とやら人間に見下される気分はどうだ means demon god or whatever it's called. How does it feel to be looked down upon by a human? That's all for today. Thanks for watching.